Want to manage your Interactive Brokers account easily? Let me show you how to use the IBKR Client Portal. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll guide you step by step on using the IBKR Client Portal so you can check your account, trade, and manage your investments all in one place. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Interactive Brokers website. Step 2. Click on Client Portal Login and enter your username and password. Step 3. Once logged in, you'll see your account dashboard showing balances, positions, and recent activity. Step 4. To place a trade, use the Trade tab. Search for the asset or instrument you want to buy or sell. Step 5. Select the order type, quantity, and other parameters, then submit your order. Step 6. Use the Reports section to view statements, tax documents, and transaction history. Step 7. Manage account settings like funding, security, and notifications in the Settings tab. Step 8. Use the Market Data tab for real-time quotes, charts, and news to make informed decisions. Quick tip: bookmark the Client Portal login page for quick access anytime. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe to Guide with Samuel, and drop your questions below. Thanks for watching.